So whoever decided to put extra fries in the bag for Five Guys, they're my best friend now because French fries are my favorite food. French fries have always been my favorite food from the start, and it will always be my favorite food until the end. So whoever decided to put extra fries in the bag for Five Guys, they're my best friend forever now. This is my first Five Guys mukbang, so I'm excited. I got a hamburger, fries, and a strawberry milkshake. So before I eat, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Awesome. All right. I also have some ketchup packets. Start off with a burger. I used to get Five Guys a lot in the past, and I haven't done so in a while because it's far and also forget. So I'm sorry. Sorry for saying it's far and forgetting. For real, that was bad of me. So I'm sorry. Bad of me. I'm sorry. I said for real, that was bad of me. I'm sorry. So yeah, I said for real, that was bad of me. I'm sorry. So yeah, I said for real, that was bad of me. I'm sorry. But now I'm gonna come back there more often for more mukbangs of Five Guys. And ooh, that first fry I had. You can really taste that flavor of potato. And Five Guys is so generous because not only they put extra fries in the bag, you can also customize and put whatever toppings you want on your burger. Well, yeah, customize by just, yeah, asking them to put whatever you want. So yeah, that's customizing, right? And also, they have peanuts at every Five Guys. They're so generous. I love them. It's like I'm in strawberry heaven there. And it looks like heaven from the whipped cream. Looks like heaven from the whipped cream and tastes like heaven from the good strawberry milkshake. The strawberry milkshake is fire. But yeah, heaven for it. Okay, sorry for saying but heaven for it. And sorry for saying fire, yeah. Sorry. Forgive me. Sorry. But of course fire, yeah. And sorry for saying that for fire, yeah. Sorry. Well, yeah. It's not a rumor. This milkshake has a good flavor humor. Okay. Awesome. Sorry for chipping off the fryer. Yeah, it's scared and then made a noise and fry kind of move up and like move fast, yeah. I'll move up, past. Couldn't figure out the word. Sorry about that. And sorry for talking when I'm eating. Okay, I'll stop that. I have to. I'm gonna eat a lot, so I'll just eat. I'm only now eating a fry from the cup. Shame on myself. These are extra fries. These are the extra fries, I mean, yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah, and I'll stop talking with anything that I usually do that I need to stop. I'll just eat and then I'll talk when it's nothing about anything that I need to stop. Or anything bad, or yeah. That's their thumb, sorry. Okay, I'll stop. Sorry about that. Okay, I'll stop. And sorry about that too. Okay, he's up, yeah. Slow down, slow down. I'm sorry, I'm annoying out. There is something about Five Guys burgers that tastes better than other burgers. Fast food burgers, all of them are good, but this one hits differently, takes it up a notch. I think it's because it's fresher, and also because of how they cook it is also different as well. Sorry about not that big. So let's see the box space. Sorry. And also, eating my little bit and burping. Sorry. Eating too fast. You slow down. Sorry. Yeah, I'll stop. Yeah. And that, but the chew noise though, hard. That noise. I'll stop. And with me chewing, no, when I said just eat and then don't say anything that needs to stop, yeah, I'll do that. Need to hurt. Two fries in silence. Two fries need to slow down. Sorry. Also in silence. Didn't do anything for a sec. I was just like that. Sorry. Too still. I'm putting a fry in my mouth, eating. Sorry about that. Eat a burger way too fast and make that chatter sound. Sorry. And I keep eating from the plates. Shame on me. Next time though, I'm gonna eat the fries the Filipino way. We eat Filipino way. No, there's no Filipino way to eat fries. That's a mistake if I said sorry. But in Filipino culture, we eat our dishes with a fork and a spoon. Now, I actually thought that was an American way also, because you got your two most common utensils you use when to eat foods with silverware. But turns out I was wrong, and that was just the Filipino way. Years later, like many years later, I thought eating with fork and spoon was just how Filipinos eat. No, how everyone eats. When I was, I think, like 9, 10, or 11. But I just found out just last year when I was 18 that they don't. That's just Filipinos. So yeah. But the reason why I say that to eat fries with a fork and spoon next time next time I eat Five Guys fries is because the fries are really greasy, and also like there's some crumbs, but nothing bad with Five Guys, nothing bad. So sorry what I said about that, but that's just what I'm gonna plan to do, so it won't be messy at all. Sorry about that. Actually, I'm gonna start doing it right now. Sorry. Let me grab a fork. No, be right back. Mix the milkshake with whipped cream, so that way whipped cream can melt faster and easier for it to drink, so make it easier, quicker, faster to finish. Might just eat it with a fork actually, but I'm still thinking. But I was thinking that I might just eat it in the future with a fork, but then I was thinking actually maybe I need a spoon. But yeah. Actually, with a spoon too. See, so much better already. Wow. Looks a little bit more fancy too. Ooh la la. Okay, good. Didn't drop any fries on the floor. out. There you go. Cool. I'm a genius. I'm so smart. I have a brain. Okay. Took what, like 10 minutes? No, like 5 minutes. My hands took like over 15. Just give me the oil. No, not oil. There's some. Oh, the fries from the cup, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take off the lid because I can't see anything at all, really. When looking at this, look at the dome. Even though I ate fries with a fork and that's all I'll be doing from now on, eating fries with a hand will always be my go-to. No, wait, I still love eating fries with my hand, and I will also do that, eat fries with my hand whenever I'm not, whenever I eat Five Guys, in which, no, not in which, whenever I'm not doing mukbangs. So off camera, yeah. I'll eat. Next times I eat Five Guys for mukbangs, I'll eat with a fork and spoon. And I forgot to mention, when saying about I'll eat with a fork now, I'm also gonna eat with a spoon. And then whenever I'm not doing mukbangs, I'm going to eat. And I have Five Guys, I'll eat the fries in my hand. So yeah, whenever I do mukbangs eating Five Guys, I'll eat fries with a fork and a spoon. And whenever I'm eating Five Guys, when I'm not doing mukbangs, I'm gonna eat with use my hands. Yeah. Or use my hand. Yeah. Sorry about with my hand and my arms and like this, and also anything else in my arms moving up. All right, Five Guys, high five for that. High five for all the Five Guys who made it. Yeah. So Five Guys, high five for all of what you do. Yeah, that's what I meant. For all what you do, and a 5 out of 5 for Five Guys. Yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another mukbang.